Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to pin a post on X. Okay, so first of all you have to open X on your device and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Now in this side menu, as you can see, you have different sections and you want to tap on the section profile. Now on your profile you want to find a specific post that you want to pin. I'll go with this one, and next to the post you want to tap three-dot button right here and select option pin to your profile. Confirm the action by tapping pin button, and as you can see it appears right at the top of my page with the small label pinned on it. So that's how you can pin a post on X Twitter. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.